Want me to net them for you? Wow, dude!
That's a stud. That's a stud.
Nice job, nice job. That's a stud. That's 20 inches easy. Wow. Sick, dude.
Heck yeah, bro.
Well, that's a good start, dude.
It is. I'm happy.
That's a good start.
It's a good fish.
He's like, by the way, I cast in there. He's like, you didn't get nothing, G? I was like, nah. He goes over there, sticks a 20 incher. You can't beat the locals at their own game, I'll tell you that. Good job, dude.
Right on, bro.
Decent one. Yeah. Even better. That's not the brown I saw though. Beautiful brown though, jeez. Look at that, guys. Huh? He's freaking beautiful. See you later, buddy. Another brown, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, look at his big spots on this one. Wanna go upriver, Josh? I need to freaking take this layer off though, bro. I'm getting freaking. I need to take this jacket off. Oh, good one, G. Yeah, good one. Really good one. Oh, dude, it's a good one. No, it's a big cutty. It's a good one. At least almost 20 inches. Almost 20. Probably 20. Thick one though. Look at that.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes, dude.
That's 20. That's 20. That's 20.
That's a 20 incher, dude. Look at that. Yes.
20.
Yes. First 20 of the day, guys. There we go. Look at that, you guys. Wow. Yeah. That's beautiful. That is a solid 20-inch fish. God, I wish I could do that paint job on a swim bait. See you later, mama. Get out of here. She wants to give you a kiss. Josh, that's 2 20s.
That is.
We've only been fishing like 35 minutes, if that.
Yeah.
That's
It's been
sick.
good so far.
So far, so good.
Good.
All right, let's keep going, man. Let's try
Yes,
to
sir.
go up a little further upriver. I need to change the jig out because you guys saw it's shredded. It's shredded. I hope you brought more of those colors, G.
I got a little bit.
Oh, we gotta
We're
make
good.
them. We gotta make them last. We're getting low. See if I can get one up there in that mama hole. That one right there, right, G? That's a good hole right there, right? Right here? Oh, baby. Good one. It's beautiful, dude. Dude, it's so red. Wait till you see it. It's so red. It's a beautiful fish. Look at that thing, dude.
Oh,
Oh my God.
that looks like that one Erica hooked out of here. I wonder if it's this one.
Oh my God, that fish is gorgeous. Please stay on. Oh my God, that thing is beautiful, dude. Ready?
Yeah, he's coming towards me. He's gonna let you.
Oh. Psych! He heard you get in there.
Yeah, I'll stay up here. When we get close, we'll get in.
Oh my God, he's beautiful, dude.
Take your time, bro.
Oh, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Oh, nope.
You get him belly up?
Nope. Oh my God, he's beautiful, dude. Oh, yes! My God, you guys. Let me get in the sun and hold that guy, dude. Wow. Officially, this is my biggest fish I've caught this trip. Look at this beautiful specimen of a fish. Look at those colors. Oh my God. 21 incher?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
I'm gonna draw on it. Let's see. Show them. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Thank you so much, you beautiful, beautiful, amazing fish. Oh, dude, that's a solid fish. Oh my God.
Is that almost another 20?
Almost,
19?
dude.
19 for sure. All measured.
What is going on right now? What is happening? We are just sticking just giants this afternoon.
Get out of this.
Look at that.
Let me show them real quick.
Look at that. Big old cutty. Now, to me, they look like rainbows, G, right?
Mm-hmm.
But these are the cutties in
Yeah.
Arkansas. Well, once you get that jig out, we'll show them why.
Okay.
So a lot of my buddies were like, those look like rainbows. I said the same thing, but this is why you can tell they're cutties, man. See that? Right there. Boom. Arkansas cutties. Later, buddy.
Yeah.
What is going on? What an afternoon of fishing we've had, bro, so far. It's not even the magic hour yet, D.
It's a good spot yet.
It's not even the magic hour yet. We're gonna start walking down to the, see, we're going for Glory spot, so bear with us. It's gonna be a minute before we get down there. No. Good one?
Yeah.
My man. At the end of the day,
Oh, still decent.
it's still a good fish though.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Now, you know, I just asked you ever catch anything right here? He said, nah. Look at how pretty that fish is. Well, it's the end of the day. End of the day, going for Glory. Well, guys, we have fished hard today, huh, Josh?
We have.
We fished hard. Most likely that's gonna be our last fish for the evening. It's getting late. I gotta go eat dinner with great grandma and grandpas, but I want to say, stud. Josh, I want to say thank you so much for showing me around the last 4 days.
It's been fun, man.
Yeah.
It's been a good time for sure.
You were awesome to show me some new stuff on this river.
I had a good time, man.
How many fish did you say we stuck over 20? You said we were just
It
talking
was
about it
six over 20 for sure, and there's like you got another 5 that were 17 to 19.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, it was for this river.
That's good.
Epic fishing,
sure.
and today, as you guys saw, I caught the most beautiful cutty I've ever caught on this river. So, giant. No way, dude.
That video, dog.
No way. Oh, that's a giant, dude.
Pig, bro. That's pig status. Dude.
That's a giant.
I'm telling you, it is. By the way, the fucking lost gun. Let him do his thing. That's a big fish, bro.
That's a giant, dude. Oh my God, as we're walking out, you guys. as we're walking out. That's a giant.
That's a big, bro.
Oh, there he comes.
Red.
Is he little?
No, it's a big fish.
Big one?
They're like 18 and 20 for sure. It's a good fish, bro. Really red, really pretty.
Oh, I see him.
Only way I can see him right now is that red.
Yes!
Look at that.
No way!
Look at that.
No way!
Look at that.
Dude, we are literally walking out. We're walking out as I did that ending video. And Josh says, cast in there. And I just stuck an even more gorgeous looking fish. Look at this. Look at this, you guys.
Grab that. Here, I'll grab it for you so they can see.
On this side, because the sun's barely hitting on this side. I'll let Josh show you the colors real quick. Keep them over the net in case it falls out. Look at that, you guys.
Good 20.
20 incher. Beautiful red. I need to get some photos before the sun
19,
goes down.
20. For sure 19.
Dude!
For sure, bro.
As we're walking out.
It's time.
That's so sick. What a beautiful fish. All right, buddy. See you later, bro.
It's not over yet, I guess.
We freaking fished hard in the holy area and you got nothing. And as we're leaving, Josh sticks one and I stick one. And you guys aren't going to see the intro I did before this because this is a new intro. But Josh, thank you for taking me fishing, bro. That was a great way to end the freaking trip right there on the way, walking out and catching that beautiful fish. But thank you for showing me some great new sections of this river, bro. And we caught them all on Josh's homemade jigs. So Instagram is at Hog Stickers.
Yes, sir.
So check my boy out. Pueblo, Colorado, Arkansas River, late fall fishing. And it was phenomenal.
It was great. It was
all right. Till March, guys.
Right on.
We're
See you
out.
guys then.